Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to cook some of this elbow macaroni here, but we're not going to do it the ordinary way. We're going to fix that, and we're going to have some rotel tomatoes in it, and we're going to have this ragu double cheddar, easy for you to say, ragu double cheddar in it. And of course some sea salt and pepper and a little water here. Now it says we need between 4 and 6 quarts of water, so we'll probably put 5 in there, so we'll put them in and see. By the way, we're going to do it in this Instant Pot Duo Crisp air fryer over here, but you know, you could do it in a pot on the stove without any trouble, but why would you want to heat up your whole house like that when you can do it in this and you're not using near as much electricity? You're not heating up your house. So now let's see if we can get started with it. Okay, now that makes 4.5 quarts of water right there. So now the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to turn this pot around so you can see it better. Okay, now we're going to go down here to where it says saute it right here. I'm going to hit the button. It says 29 minutes. I'm going to make it run on up to 30 minutes. And then we'll hit the start button. Now you got to do this all pretty quick, because if you wait around very long, it'll cancel it out on you. So you got to get to moving with it when you started. And so now I'll just wait till this water gets pretty hot. I want it to be rolling a little bit before I put anything in it. And so I'm going to take my little glass lid here. It just so happens to fit it perfect. I'm going to sit right on top of it there. And now to help it get heated up, and we can start putting some ingredients in there. Okay, now this pot's getting where it's simmering pretty good, so I'm going to take the top off so I can put a couple things in it here. I'll put a teaspoon of salt. Of course, how you salt and pepper to taste, you know, never how you want to. I'll put much pepper in there, just a little. Okay, and we'll put a little bit of olive oil in here. Supposedly it helps it keep it from sticking. Okay, now we'll give it a little stir. Who says water and oil don't mix? You know, that looks good. Okay, well, I've got a second here. I just wanted to show you, this is the 1 pound box of these elbows here. And on these rotel tomatoes, we're going to have a 10-ounce can. This ragu double cheddar here, a 16-ounce jar. So that's exactly what we'll be using in it. And if that's not enough cheese, we'll add some more. Starting to boil pretty good, so we're fixing to put this elbows down in it here. And when you do that, give it an immediate stir. Like that. Oh yeah. Now, let it sit there for about 7 or 8 minutes. Now when I let it sit there for 7 or 8 minutes, I meant to give it an occasional stir, you know, keep it going, keep it moving around. Like that. Let it boil right on. Okay, now it's been going for about 6 minutes. We'll take this top up. Well, they're looking pretty good, aren't they? We'll take one or two out here and give it a try over here. Put that back on in the meantime. Oh yeah, the fork just dives right through there. Okay, now I'm going to stop that because that part's done. Okay, now I'm going to try to bring it over and dump it in that colander there without making a mess or burning myself. That's a heavy pot and a hot pot. Oh, there it is. Clean as a whistle in there. That's the way it's supposed to be. Okay, now we're going to set this bowl over here. Oh, that looks good right there now. Look at another one of them stuck together or anything. Right back in this bowl. Oh, might need a bigger bowl. That was close. That was close. Now I'm going to, still ain't got my two main other ingredients in it here. There goes this cheese. Don't that look good now? Get me a spoon here. I don't want any of that stuff to stay behind. Now we'll dump this can of Rotel tomatoes in here on top of it. Now I'm going to take a spoon here, start seeing if I can mix this stuff up a little bit. Like I said, I should have got a bigger bowl. Golly, that looks so good. I'm going to have to eat most of this before people finds out that I've made it like this. Golly. Oh, I'm fixing to get me a bowl here in a minute. Make sure it's stirred up pretty good. Yeah. Good and out above. What do y'all think? Now, you know, if you didn't want the tomatoes in here, you don't have to have them, but I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to add a lot to it. Okay, now I'm going to get me a bowl of this, or some of this out of here to eat. But you know, we'll have to wait till it cools just a little bit before you start eating that. Goodness gracious. I'll tell you what, after I get started on this, it's going to be down low enough where I won't need a larger bowl. This is so good. Okay, now as you can see, that little bowl there is about empty. So I'm just going to do one more little bowl, or not a bowl, but a little bit. This time, we'll add me a little bit of Parmesan cheese to the top of it. What do you think? Now, if possible, I don't know if it's possible for it to be any better than that last was, but I'm going to see right here. Oh, man. You have got to try this. You really go out and try this. I don't care if you cook it on the stove or cook it in the Instapot. This is good right here. Okay, I've got to get away from this before I really make myself sick. So, I hope you enjoyed my little video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I hope you come back to see this real soon. It looks like my battery is about to go dead, so I got to rush. So, if you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. We sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much to you people that watches our videos. And so until next time, y'all have a really good and safe day. And goodbye till next time.